yeah, this video is an unboxing of something special again. Hi guys! Winwyn here, and I have a new video para sa inyo while I'm wearing full-on makeup. Why? Because I just got home from a shoot of one of my shows called Glow Up. I'm one of the hosts there, of course, kasama si Tia and si Michelle. And tomorrow I have church, and then I have some errands to do. And I remember I tweeted you guys that I received the package recently. And I wanted to do an unboxing for you all. But before that, napansin niyo siguro sa YouTube ko na I very random, nag-post ako ng mga snippets, mga short clips na actually personal video siya, like with my family and isang out of the country trip ko. I posted that because when I checked my YouTube account, my channel, I saw that I had 50,000 subscribers. Woohoo! Yes, tata! Woohoo! 50,000 subscribers. So, hindi ko actually naisip na magkakaroon ako ng 50,000 subscribers. Parang, kasi sobrang halo-halo kasi itong YouTube channel ko, di ba? Wala siyang, hindi ba walang direction, pero hindi kasi pa ako consistent. And I'm trying my best to be consistent here on my YouTube channel. And sabi ko nga, ito kasing channel ko, I want to show a different side of me. Well, the real Winwyn. You know, with my family, with how we joke around, how I am. Just me. Diba? And kung paano ako mag-fangirl, parang puro pagpa-fangirl ko ngayon itong YouTube ko. Just to show a different side of me. Kasi sa mga nanonood sa GMA7, nakikita na nagda-drama ako, kontrabida ako doon. And, well, alam ko naman hindi lahat kilala ako, di ba? Alam ko naman na baka sinasabi ng iba siya, what is she talking about? Ganon, di ba? So, gets ko naman yun. Pero for those who know me, you always see a side of me on TV naman siya. So, drama, acting, ganyan. So, at least here on my YouTube channel, you see the real me and how I am. How I am as a fangirl, how I am with my family, how I am with my brothers, and everything else. So, yeah. Yun lang. And I want to thank everyone. I want to thank everyone for subscribing. And say ako, 50,000 subscribers. Hindi ko yun nakala talaga na abot ako ng 50,000. So, thank you. Clap, clap, clap. Woo. Clap. And syempre, thank you sa Tomato Soup for helping me out with my videos. Thank you na nag-enjoy kayo sa content. Kahit pa paano na minsan wala siyang kwenta. Kumbaga parang sobrang joke-joke time lang. Yeah, I know, maybe some of you will say I'm a little bit chubby or I gained weight. So, I did a little bit gain weight and I think you know why. Just check my Twitter, but you know, I like my body now. A little bit muscular. Off topic na yun, okay? Napansin ko lang yung sarili ko kasi tinitingnan ko, pero yeah. This is me. And this is Winwyn's situation with 50,000 subscribers. Yay! Anyway, those videos I uploaded the snippets lang na bigla na lang siyang sumulpot sa account ko here in YouTube. Mga personal video yun with my family. Paano kami mag-bonding, diba? So, I hope you guys enjoyed it also. I hope you like what you saw. I also uploaded that on my Instagram TV, diba? IGTV. So, kaya ko siya in-upload. So, yeah. Thank you so much, 50,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. Tata said thank you. RJ said thank you. Kulang pa ako ng mga... Kulang pa sila. Kukumpleto pa sila. Anyway. So, this video is an unboxing of the... Bts Memories of 2018. Here it is. Can you see it? Let me turn this off first. Here it is. Yes, it's pretty heavy, guys. It is pretty heavy. So here it is. Here it is. Memories of 2018. So I ordered this at Weply. Yes, I do have an account. I ordered this at Weply. So nung lumabas siya, in-order ko siya kaagad. Kasi baka ma-sold out na naman. Ang bilis kasi ma-sold out ng mga gamit-gamit sa Weply, di ba? So, I ordered it agad and it took a few weeks or months, I guess. So, ang kwento nito, in-order ko siya sa Weply and then, syempre, Weply notified me na pinadala na nila. It's in transit. Tama ba? In transit. So, sobrang excited na ako na dumating itong 2018 memories ng BTS, right? And so when I was checking, nakita ko na yung status niya biglang unsuccessful delivery. Unsuccessful delivery. Alam, parang ako nag-mini heart attack kasi hindi ko alam gagawin ko. So, akala ko na-stuck siya sa post office or dun ko siya kukunin or hindi talaga siya mapapadala kahit nabayaran ko. Parang ako nag-mini heart attack. And nabasa ko yun online. It was a holiday so I can't really call the post office to check if it was there and I have to go there and get it. But talaga, nakunin ko hindi mapapadala sa bahay. But at the same time, the following day, I had a shoot, I had taping. So, I was pretty busy. Siyempre, focus ko sa work ko. So, hindi ko rin siya natawagan. So, medyo pag-uwi ko, di ba, pagod and everything else. Parang 3 days na yung nag-past. Running. Running talaga kasi gusto ko matanggap to, di ba? Ayokong mawala. So, I went home and tapos, I think nakauwi ako from taping around 5:45 in the morning. Yes, we do end. Ganong oras. Medyo 24 hours kami nag-work. But no complaints. I love my job. I love what I'm doing. I love my cast. I love the production. So it's okay. I came home around 5:45 and nagulat ako pagpasok ko sa room ko. May box. This is the box. Yes, ito yung box niya. This is the box. Nasa taas siya ng kama ko. Sabi ko, ano yun? Wala man ako in-order na iba. Siyempre thinking na yung memories niya, di ba? Somewhere back. So, I saw it and then when I checked it, syempre titignan ko, medyo antok pa ako 5:45 yun, di ba guys? When I saw that it was from Seoul and Republic of Korea ang nakalagay dito, oh my God, alam niyo, parang ako nabuhay, nawala yung antok ko, nawala yung pagod ko, sabi ko, oh my gosh, this is it! And hindi ko pigilan yung sarili ko, I tweeted. Yes guys, I tweeted at what time? I tweeted this at 5:48 a.m. 5:48 a.m. Yes, 5:48 a.m. I tweeted it. Gising pa ako, kakauwi ko lang from work. Nawala yung pagod ko and all. And finally, dumating na siya. See, nag-alarm pa yung watch ko. So, when I saw this, alam mo na sa isip ko, guys. Totoo to real talk. Asan yung fan chant? Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yi, Chun Hustle, Park Ji-min, Kim Tae-young, Jun Jungkook, BTS. Asan yun yung nag-play? Asan sa... Yun yung umiikot sa head ko. Parang... Anyari, Winwyn. Masyado akong excited. Sana tama yung fan chant ko, guys. Kung mali man, you can just correct me sa comments. Yun yung pumasok talaga sa isip ko na nung nakita ko siya. Parang sabi ko, oh my God, nakita lahat yun. Napakanta ako. Okay. Pero, real talk. Anyway, let us open the 2018 Memories of 2018. By the way, ang nasa loob nito, so may disc 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this DVD product is selling for private use of home only. Guys, ha? Okay, so medyo kinakabahan ako i-open siya. Tutusukin ko na lang siya dito. I-rip ko. Kasi I remember, I don't know if you guys remember, I think So, JK, Jimin, and J-Hope did an unboxing of the Map of the Soul Persona album. I I think you saw that on YouTube and medyo, syempre, excited sila buksan. And piniflip talaga nila yung album nila, syempre. Sila yun, guys, pero medyo hindi ko kinaya. Kasi hindi ko kayang gawin yun na baka masira yung album. Kasi syempre binili ko yun, di ba? Binili ko to. Tapos, syempre alagaan ko naman kahit pa paano. And ayoko naman na may something, di ba? So, I also watched the video nung nakita ko yung comments. Medyo same naman tayo lahat ng iniisip. Pero you know, it's them, it's fine. Whatever they wanna do, it's fine. Pero I wanna open my memories of 2018. Medyo light lang, medyo care, love, diba? You know, it's okay, I still love them. I love them 3. So whatever they do to that album dun na binuksan nila, okay lang yun. Pero yeah, I just wanna open this properly. So, yes! So, yeah, it's Tata. You know, guys. Okay. Safe, guys, safe. So, hard case siya. It's hard case. It's very heavy. So, hard case. It's in a hard case. It's like a... I think it's just wool. Hardbound siya. And then when you open it, oh wow! Okay. So, plastic. Oh my gosh! And ang una niyong makikita, so meron akong photo card. Hi RM. Hi Namjoon. Namjooning. Namjoon. So I have a photo card of Namjoon here. So cute. Genius. So let me put that aside. And when you open it, you'll see, so this is, I think, from Melon Music Awards. Grabe guys! Seryoso, parang siyang ang dami. Sobrang daming laman niya. And, so here's the content. Okay. So you love yourself, tear, jacket, photograph, love yourself, answer, J-Hope, airplane, daydream. So yeah, well, contents lang. It's here, table of contents, picture ni Jin, na parang so, comeback trailer. Oh my god! I cannot! Like, this is like my favorite. From Mini Baby ata nila, inaasar nila si JK here. So, there, you'll see that. Well, it's too much for me to show you guys. Medyo madaming sobrang madami. Pero it's, nakabind yung photo, yung, nakabookbind siya. And I cannot deal with these photos. I cannot deal with, so I'll just show you some, guys. Yan. So, medyo hindi ko makakatulog ito dahil kailangan kong makita lahat ng photos nila. I cannot deal with it. So, yeah. Parang siyang photo book talaga, guys. Photo book nila with, I think, different jacket shoots, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Ang saya, guys. Ang saya, promise. So, basta, madami siya, madaming, idol. So, I'll do like a random, first time ko yun ito binuksan. So, yung random ko na, random open, JK. JK, I'm doing this a day before your birthday, so, oh my gosh, happy birthday to you! Well, pag lumabas to, belated happy birthday. You're last. So this is the Euphoria Love Yourself music video making photograph. So there's a lot of pictures here, from rehearsals. from Mama. And then, sa bandang dulo, nandun na yung CD ha. Yung the track list. So it's here. There's disc 1, disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, disc 2, disc 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, nandiyan lahat. And then the memory. Oh, there's my sticker nakasama. So, the last page is a sticker. So yeah, nandito yung BTS Memories of 2018 Prom Party, Review, Preview, VCR Making, Love Yourself, Jacket Making Film, yung BTS Memories of 2018 Love Yourself in Los Angeles, Oakland, Fort Worth, Hamilton, Newark, Chicago, Tokyo, Osaka, Taoyuan, Nagoya, Singapore, Fukuoka, Hong Kong, Bangkok. So BBMA's Making Film, America's Got Talent, etc. Mama in Hong Kong, Mama in Japan. So yun yung laman ng mga CDs. So yeah, this is the memories of 2018. I love that it's full of photos, the memories at yung mga special moments nila, from the jacket shoots, from awards, from rehearsals. So it's all here. I have to skim it later. I can't show you everything, guys, kasi medyo madami. Sobrang matatagalan tayo. Ang problema ko lang kasi, guys, hindi ko pa siya mapapanood dahil CD nga siya. Diba? And wala akong DVD player dito sa bahay. Wala rin lalagyan ng CD. Wala rin CD yung laptop ko. So, ang gagawin ko, bibili pa ako ng external CD, tama ba? External CD chorba para mapanood ko siya. Yes, guys. Nung binili ko to, alam kong wala akong DVD player or anything na pwede kong mapanood yung using the CDs. Pero deadma, it's fine because I'm going to find a way so I can watch it. Naisip ko lang, wishful thinking, sana next time, diba? Or kung maisip man lang ng big hit, na may option sila na baka USB na yung isama nila kaysa sa CD. Pero, doesn't matter. Kung CD ang nandito, kung kailangan humanap ako ng way, hahanap ako ng way, ganun talaga, diba? Okay lang. Okay lang. Bibili ako. Pag-iipunan ko yun, diba? Again, sa mga students, I know ang fans ng BTS mostly are students. This is quite expensive. Of course, I ordered it on Webby, so may shipping fee pa and everything. So, medyo expensive siya. Again, I suggest that pag-ipunan nyo, huwag kayong basta-basta bibili. If you have, you know, other priorities like school work or materials for school or basta, something na number 1, na hindi nyo naman kailangan bumili nito pa. You should know first your priorities, diba? Lalo na yung mga students, lalo na yung mga younger, mga kids dyan, diba? Just a suggestion, advice lang naman. Pero syempre, if you're like a die-hard fan or you really want it, I cannot stop you. I hope you guys like this video and I showed you kung ano to. Sobrang kinakares ko siya, sobrang ginaganon ko siya, guys. So I'm just happy that I have my memories of 2018 on BTS, and I'm happy I have it. I'm going to skim through it, the photos. Sobrang dami talaga, guys. Super dami. Look at that. Really, really madami. Ay, kailangan ko lang isingit. So, people are asking me kung ano daw yung wallpaper ko. So, this is my other phone. This is my wallpaper. I don't know if you can see it, but and then yung phone ko na ginagamit, it's V. Winter Bear niya. I think I grabbed it from someone who edited it. So, what else? I'd like to thank those who are giving gifts to me, nagpapadala ng gifts sa akin. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for welcoming me to this family. Ang babait niyo talaga. Saludo ako sa inyo. High five. This mom. Diba? And thank you sa mga nagbibigay ng gifts sa akin. And every time na magbibigay sila, I always ask if I could share it to some fellow armies here in Manila, if they could, give, or I can just purchase from them para lang, I can share kasi syempre bibigyan nila ako. And I'm very, very grateful for that. I just want to share also sa ibang army. So, thank you for those who gave me gifts. Thank you for also saying that you want to share it to other armies also. So, thank you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I hope you guys like this unboxing of the memories of 2018 of BTS. I'm Winwyn Marquez. You're watching Winwyn Situation. So I hope you share, like, and subscribe. Subscribe sa channel ko. So, bye guys. I have to remove my makeup already. This is just super tagal already on my face. So, see you again on the next video.